John, can we talk for a moment?
Of course, sweetheart. What's on your mind?
Well, it's just, I've been feeling lately like things have changed between us. Remember when we first got married? You were so attentive, so loving. You used to surprise me with flowers, help me in the kitchen, and we made all those promises to each other.
I know what you mean, Emma. Life has gotten busier, and I guess I've been preoccupied with work and other things. But I still love you just as much as I did then.
I know you love me, John. But it's those little things that made me feel so special, so cherished. I miss those moments when we used to surprise each other and show our love in simple ways.
You're right, Emma. I've been neglecting those small gestures that meant so much to you. I'm sorry for that. Let's fix this. What can we do to bring some of that back into our lives?
Well, how about we start by setting aside some quality time for us each week? Maybe a date night, or a day where we focus on reconnecting.
That sounds wonderful, Emma. I'm in. And what about those surprises and helping you in the kitchen?
You mean it? You'll help me cook?
Absolutely. I may not be a chef, but I can definitely assist in the kitchen.
That's all I wanted to hear, John. I missed us being a team.
Me too, Emma. So, what else can we do to rekindle that spark?
How about we write down some of the promises we made to each other when we got married? We can read them out loud and renew our commitment to each other.
That's a great idea, Emma. Let's do it this weekend.
Thank you, John. I really appreciate you being open to this conversation. John, I also want to talk about something else that's been on my mind. It's that sometimes, when we make things less approachable, when you always try to create fantasies, and then we finally get those things, the importance of them seems to reduce. It makes me feel like you treat me that way. Like our relationship is becoming less real.
Emma, I never meant for it to feel that way. I thought I was adding excitement and romance to our lives.
I know you were, John, and I appreciate the effort. But what's most important to me is our connection, our authenticity. I want our love to feel real, not like a fantasy.
I understand now, Emma. I don't want our relationship to feel distant or unattainable. I want it to be grounded and real, just like our promises.
That's what I want too, John. So, let's keep the romance and surprises, but make sure they enhance our connection rather than distancing us.
The weekend arrives, and Emma and John sit down with a pen and paper.
Okay, first promise, to always cherish and appreciate each other.
Second promise, to keep surprising each other, making sure our surprises bring us closer.
Third promise, to communicate openly and honestly, no matter what.
Fourth promise, to work together as a team in our marriage.
And the final promise, to never take our love for granted.
These are beautiful promises, Emma.
They are, John. And I believe in us, in our love.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.